If you like to see how we made this delicious jollof rice here in a village in Ghana, kindly watch this video to the end and subscribe to support this channel. Thank you. Here I was just scooping some oil from the oil we used to fry our guinea fowl meat. We are going to use that oil to prepare our jollof rice. Then I went ahead to add our chopped onions. We are going to allow this to fry for a while until it becomes translucent. So after a while, I went ahead to just stir the onion in the oil. Then next, I added our tomato paste to the oil. We are going to stir this and allow this to fry for a while until that sour taste in the tomato paste is gone. Please, we need to stir it from time to time so that it does not burn. So after some minutes, I decided to stir it so that the stew does not burn. Then we now went ahead to add our blended ingredients. So our blended ingredients is made up of charred tomatoes, charred garlic, onions, and peppers. This is our spices and seasoning. So in here I have curry powder, rosemary, aniseed, salt, and Maggi seasoning. Then we stir everything together. Then another thing I would like to add is this smoked salmon. Please, this is optional, but I love to add it. So if you have smoked salmon, you can go ahead and then add it, but it is optional. As you can see, the base of our jollof is well fried. We are now going to go ahead to add our rice. This has already been washed, so we'll just add it and then we stir everything together. This is the stock of the guinea fowl meat that we steamed, so I went ahead and added that to enable it to cook the jollof rice well. Please, jollof rice does not need too much water, but I realized the water was not enough, so I added a little of hot water to it to enable the jollof cook very well. Then after that, I stirred everything together. The next thing is to taste for seasoning. So I was adjusting the salt just to make sure that the seasoning is okay. After a few minutes, this is how it looks. So I need to stir it. Here, our jollof rice is almost ready. At this point, I'm adding some spring onions to our jollof rice. Please, you can go ahead to add any type of vegetables you have. I also went ahead to add some chopped onions and some chopped fresh tomatoes. I'm going to cover this with a clean napkin. So make sure whatever you are using to cover your food is very clean. Then this is our jollof rice. our jollof rice is ready. Doesn't it look delicious? Friends, this tasted so delicious. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. See you in our next video.